morning, good afternoon, good evening. If it's your first time you come across Atalo YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video. And don't also forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime we drop a new video, you can be notified. Thank you very much. God bless you. And for our returning subscriber, thank you also. God will bless you people also. Thanks. Atalo, Atalo, Atalo. We move. Brothers and sisters, today, because some police arrested some criminals that have been terrorizing Edo State. And the one they arrested, there are 4 in number. As you can see here, this very one, those are the criminals. And I still have another case, which is, if you can see here now, this very one, that is, I will talk about him later after finishing with these hoodlums. Thank you very much. I will read because we don't have a video, but those are their pictures, as I pointed before. Let me read so that you can hear. Thanks. Police arrest gang terrorizing Edo communities. The Edo State Police Command has arrested 4 members of a notorious robber gang terrorizing Edo Central and environment. The suspect, Yahaya Musa, Isa Ismaila, Osas Amas, and Nathaniel Omoze Bagwa, specializing in snatching of cars and attacking of points of sales shop. They had allegedly snatched several cars in Esanland, which they sold in northern part of Nigeria. The suspects were arrested a few days after the attack. After they attacked a point of sale shop in Uromi and carted away the sum of 5.2 million naira. The POS operator had pursued the robbers who came on motorcycles with his car and knocked them down. 2 suspects escaped unhurt, while one of them sustained several injuries. Police officer traveled to Enugu State to arrest one of the gang members, while another was arrested in a hospital in Benin, where he was receiving treatment for the injury he sustained. The other suspects were arrested in Ekpoma. Spokesperson of the State Police Command, SP Bello Kotongs, who confirmed the arrest on Monday, May 3rd, stating that the suspect would be profiled and charged to court soon. Those are the armed robber that has been terrorizing some part of Edo State. That is why I'm here to give you the news. And the other one that I pointed before, that is where I'm going now. Hold on, please. Okay. As you can see that boy, this boy I point before. You can see him in the picture. It's a small boy, young boy, in short. But what he did is terrible. I'm here now to give you everything that I know about him. Thank you very much. I read. Chronic domestic abuse, arrested for killing mother-in-law. This very guy killed mother-in-law. His own mother-in-law was killed by him. Let me read. You will hear. A 28-year-old man, Opeyemi Adeola Kaniyu, has been arrested by men of Ogun State Police Command for allegedly killing his mother-in-law, Abosede Oyewole. A statement released by DSP Abimbola Oyeyemi, spokesperson of the State Police Command, states that the suspect was arrested following a report made at Atan Ota Division headquarters by one Odunayo Matthew, who reported that the suspect, who is married to the daughter of the deceased, is found of beating his wife on slight provocation. On a fateful day, the suspect, as usual, had beaten up his wife and inflicted injuries on her. The deceased went to meet him in order to warn him to desist from beating her daughter. On sighting the deceased in his house, the suspect descended heavily on her, beat her mercilessly before stabbing her on her ribs with a knife. The deceased was rushed to a hospital for treatment, but gave up the ghost in the process. Having heard that the victim has died, the suspect took to flight. The DPO Atan Ota Division, CSP Abolade Oladigbolu, there and then details his detention, so to go after him and bring him to justice. The detective embarked on intelligence-based investigation, which led them to his hideout in Ikorodu, Lagos State, where he was eventually apprehended. Preliminary investigation revealed that the suspect is a member of notorious cult group in the area. He was also one of those who led Usman to burn down Atan Ota police station during the EndSARS protest and kill the divisional crime officer on the 21st of October 2020. The statement in part read: Oyeyemi added that the State Commissioner of Police, Edward Awolowo Ajogun, has ordered the immediate transfer of the suspect to homicide section of the State Criminal Investigation and Intelligence Department for discreet investigation. As you can see, that was what happened. That is why I decided to bring this news for you people, so that you people can also watch, also hear from me, because there is no video. But maybe if after listening, if there is a comment, please drop so that we can also know your own opinion. Thank you very much. God will bless you people. I greet all of you. We'll see you next time. Bye.